I think if there's any consistency in the work that I've done or the movies that I've made, it's been that there's a deep roots in story. That it's a story that is substantial in some way, that it's very connected to a place, very connected to specific themes, very connected to, strong character. I consider myself an advocate for voices. It's the thing that I'm looking for, is to find people who truly have something to say, and that you can just feel it, that there's something very connected, that it pulls your heartstrings, that it makes you feel that you learn something, you grow. I think those are the kinds of stories that I really look for. Well, I've known Erica's work starting from when she was being supported by some of the programs here at Sundance, through the Institute side, the lab programs and whatnot. And I've been an advisor for many years here at Sundance. And so I knew her work and was aware of the kinds of stories that she wanted to tell. Erica has such conviction as a storyteller, deeply authentic, has a kind of integrity in the stories that she wants to tell. And I think of Erica as a powerful storyteller, and it's definitely the kinds of storytellers that I'm attracted to have that. They have a kind of power to them, and she embodies that. I think that's about, I think for a storyteller to be powerful, it's about their relationship to life. It's about power comes from our relationship to life.